Hey guys, Bateman here, again with another New York Market Open trade recap. As always, just going to get into today's trade. So today we take a winning short. Just going to go into my thoughts on pre-market during the trade, as I always do. So on the high time frames, of course, we're bearish. I think bullish conditions are that we swept buy side draws. No, sell side. Yeah, sell side draws on the 4 hour. We are also tapping into a previously respected, if it would load, a previously respected daily imbalance. Of course, that was the same as yesterday. But for the short term, I'm definitely more bearish. We're respecting bearish conditions. Here we have this 1 hour providing a protected area. So if we're continuing bearish, I wouldn't want to see us come back into here. In doing so, from this 1 hour, we produce this 30-minute sponsored imbalance. I'm aware of the hourly it does form. However, I use the sponsored 30-minute as it is more lower in volume as well as better in premium. So as we can see, it's just on the 618 of this daily leg. Oh no, it's just at the 50% mark, sorry. As you can see. In that case, I'm looking for this to be respected and delivered from. So on the 1 minute pre-market, we produce this nice bit of low resistance liquidity. There is a 15-minute bullish condition that I'm aware of in this sort of area, but didn't quite tap the 50% of it, so I'm open to the idea of shorting back towards this draw as well as the 1 minute engineered low resistance. So pre-market does what I wanted it to, manipulates higher. We've got these nice rejection wicks from the sponsored 30-minute, as well as ES. You can see the hourly condition here. It taps into it earlier than MNQ, so we were just waiting for MNQ to just truly be part of this distribution leg. See, 1 minute tap in, both ready to distribute. I think we get an inversion on the 30-second. Really bit of a shaky entry. Obviously, we had this 30-second inverse, this V shape. Just failing to swing above this. A little bit of drawdown, but this 30-second was respected and disrespected. Entering off this. Just wanted to get a better fill, because if you're entering off the 1 minute inversion, you've got incredibly high stops. So I'm fine with front running this, as we are bearish on the low time frame, or the high time frame even. Just targeting a 2 to 1. I'm not sure if I mentioned in the previous video I'm dealing with the issue of greed. I'm not sure why. It's a new one for me. Never have I ever really dealt with greed or FOMO, so I'm just targeting a fixed 2 to 1. Obviously this low resistance is a really nice draw. Target that for better risk to reward, a bit more profit, but as I've been trading this week and this month in general, I've been getting a bit greedy, hitting my 2 to 1, going break even. Could have been taking money off the table, but I don't. So yeah, just dealing with that at the minute, so I'm fine with taking this 2 to 1. Break even at this swing low that was generated, pull back into drawdown a little bit, just waiting for this close below to go break even. But yeah, I mean obviously the inversion on the 1 minute, good break even, but because my fill was relatively early, I'm fine with going break even a bit later on. I believe it was at around 2 to 1 break even maybe as well, so it works out. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.